Okay. So in other words, you are all qualified to be a official of this corporation. Last question. Sige, last question na ako. I'll be asking you about the itong tinatawag nating kay Marion Ryan Ong Chua. Meron ka bang pinurchase na manager's check? In
Wala
amount
po,
of 2.6 million?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Sigurado ka,
Yes po, Your Honor.
You're under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.